Hi! It's a hot day today, and I have a lot of ranunculus that need to get in the ground. So let's put these in the pots behind me. Come along. So I was gonna say I pre-sprouted ranunculus, but that's past the sprouting. Do you see all them? Hey Frisky, what do you need? Just saying hi? Okay, so we are going to separate these out. There's 3 pots here. Let's get them in. Here we go. Let's look at this root system. This is exciting. Oh, or we'll just drop them all over the place. Okay, we're going to separate them out. They're going to separate themselves out. I have a lot of geraniums, but I'm still, I don't know. Geraniums are not, it's not warm enough for geraniums yet, even though we're 80s. And our 10-day looks good. Do you think I should put the geraniums with the ranunculus? I don't know. It's so iffy because it goes up and down so much. That looks good. Maybe I'll throw down some zinnias with them too. I don't know. And zinnias like it really warm too, but our 10-day looks so good. We could just cover these pots if we need. They're also up by the house, so they're a lot more protected. What would you do? Utah, Zone 6, up by the Wasatch Mountains. Our weather goes in and out a lot. You know, in and out meaning hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. Let's get this last one done. So there's like 2 ranunculus in this whole pot. So, 3. Let me go get the water. And then let's see what else we want to put in these pots. I have quite a bit of stuff in my winter sown jugs. This is a winter sown dianthus from those jugs. So we're going to get a pretty show from that. That was done last year. We should go through a lot of these winter sown jugs and see what would look good in those pots by my front door. I'm sure there's something we can take. Let's look around. So I know there's a lot of yarrow. Patches hurt his foot, so he's limping on that foot, and it's making me sad. So there's a lot of yarrows. Is this one of the yarrows? No, that one. Yeah, Colorado yarrow. And I want to put those all over, but I don't think I want them in the pots. So what should we put in the pot? Let's look. We've got Sweet William. That might be good. Cucumbers, straw flower maybe? How big are the straw flowers? That might be nice. I thought I had some viola and some pansies. Let me look around and see what we got here. What would look nice in those pots? Sweet William, look at this yarrow. Should we put some summerberries yarrow in it? Maybe we should. Let's just do that. I came up with 4 that would look pretty good. Sweet William dollar store. This one says dark blue scabiosa stellata. Scabiosa. So I'm not sure if that's an annual or a perennial, but we could look it up. This one is red yarrow, and this one is summer berries yarrow. So let's go put those in there. Our shade is moving. Okay, so I opened this. Is Sweet William dollar store, done on March 17th. And yeah, they're not up very high, but we can still put clumps in there. Look how pretty this one is. This is the blue scabiosa. Here's the summer berries. It's pretty good. And here's the red yarrow. And then I thought we could just throw some seeds down because I'm a gambler. Zinnia, 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 marigolds. And these came from someone in my trading group. They're Gumfrina, I think, from China, all when she was on a visit there. That looks like Scabiosa. Should I try to, just throw them down. Some days, you just gotta do it. Do you guys even know what that is? I don't know. Let's just play. Okay, we're gonna get all these little seedlings and seeds into these 3 pots. This one is so cool to me. Look, can you see with all the shadows? That's the plant that came out of the seed. These are the ones that had the shuttlecock. What are those things called? Kind of like tennis, but it's not quite tennis. Badminton. There we go. The badminton shuttlecocks. All right, let's turn it over and see what it looks like. Got some roots. All right, let's see. We're going to take some of these clumps and plant them in there. Are you guys used to planting with your left? I'm getting used to it. I hope this looks so good. One of these days I'll get a tripod. So here's the winter sown, mostly yarrows and scabiosas with some ranunculus. I'm going to throw down the seeds. Okay, now I'm going to water the pots in, and I might need to go to Home Depot and get some color, because right now I have a lot of stuff that will come later, but right now it looks like just little green seeds. Let's go get some color. These are the pots about a week later, and I just wanted to show you how pathetic my ranunculus look. The scabiosa look amazing, and the yarrow bounced back really pretty. But look at my ranunculus. The ranunculus might be a fail. Oh, that's frustrating. So I could get them to sprout. I could get them to, just look beautiful inside. The second I put them in the pot, they shrivel. This one might make it. Look at that. Oh, any tips on ranunculus? Thanks. Bye.